We'll now start to assemble and install the gutter. First, grab your gutter and attach the gutter stop end. Then, drill your first hole through the gutter and stop end and secure with a rivet. Then put another rivet at the bottom. Turn the gutter around and put another rivet through the side and near the top. Do this to both ends of the gutter. Trace around the outlet and drill 4 small holes at each corner of the square you have traced and 1 hole in the centre. Use a larger drill bit to re-drill the centre hole. Then use your tin snips to cut out the traced area. Once finished, put the outlet through the hole and drill 4 holes around the outlet and secure to the gutter with rivets. Then, on the inside, make sure you apply a good amount of silicone to seal any gaps. Measure 20mm from the top of the wall sheets, then fasten the gutter brackets in the middle and 1200mm apart, using the 10x16 self-drilling screws. Ensure you include a slight fall along the gutter towards the downpipe. Roll the gutter bead along the gutter brackets and slip the back of the gutter into position. Now, grab your downpipe and fit it to your pre-made downpipe outlet. Secure it with downpipe straps, rivets, or a coloured 10x16 screw.